Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Playwright. So please make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss any latest video. If you're new on my channel, do check out my previous video as well. So let's get started this series for Playwright. So in last video you have seen that how to download Visual Studio Code on your machine and how you can integrate the Playwright in your Visual Studio Code, and I have already explained how to see the structure. So in this video I will tell you the more about the folder and also how to run the test and generate the HTML report we can see in the terminal. So let's get started. So here you can see the structure of the folder, and we have already created this Playwright underscore extension ext folder. So if we want to open the folder in your Visual Studio Editor, we will click on File, go on Open Folder, click on that, and we can see here the folder name. So this is my folder name. Select it and select here. So it is already selected there, so I will only show the how to open it. And one more thing you can see here, if I double click on this folder, you can see the test-example node underscore module file and Playwright -report file, and this is test result file. Everything you will show it here. And in this, the similar you can see here folder. In this folder Playwright, so here you can see the folder structure Playwright underscore ext. So this is the module underscore node underscore module. So in this node underscore module folder, everything like bin folder, everything you can see here. And this is the test folder. So in test folder we can see the test folder, we can see the example.spec.js file. If we double click here, we can see here two tests is showing up. One is start from this and end here, and the other test is start from here, and this is the second folder, second test. So this is the first test, here to here, here to here, and this is the second test you can see here, here to here. And this is the test-example, another folder. In this folder we can see the demo-todo-app application.spec.js file, and we can see, if we double click, you can see all the default everything we can see here in this folder, like how the test, weight, everything I will explain you in the upcoming session. So this is playwright.config.js. So if we click on, so here all the configuration we will see here. So this is the test directory, and /test you can see here is the current test showing up, and this is the package.json. So it's similar like dependency, use the dependency here. So it's similar like a Maven project, like pom.xml file. So here we can use if we need the dependency, we can add it here, dependency in the future. So this is the complete structure of this folder. And this is the complete structure. This one is the extension. And if you want to run the test, so here we can see the run, and this is a npx playwright test. So this command will run in our terminal. So first we will select here and use it and enter. So it's running 6 tests using 6 worker and 6 passed. So Playwright by default in headless mode. So we cannot see the browser launch or open the browser. So what we can do, we need to and space hyphen. We will use the headed mode. So after that we can see the launch the browser and see the web page. It's opening, it's closing because it's doing very fast, so hardly you can see, but it's open the browser and open all the browsers. So running 6 tests using 6 worker, 6 passed. And if we want to see the report, we will use this command npx, or you can copy. We cannot copy here. Once we try to copy, we are not able to copy. So what we can do, if you want to copy this command and you don't want to miss anything, so you can go on the document, and here you can see in document we will go and test a report. So this is the command. So here we can do the copy. So copy. So once we will copy, we don't miss anything, like this, and enter. Okay. So it's showing the port 9323, and so what we can do, we will use the another port instead of using this port, and what we can do, space hyphen port is equal to, so I'm using 9333, so 9333 port. Let's see the report, it's generated or not. Okay, so what we can do here, I think we missed something here, so that's why it's showing the port. Okay, port address already in used. Okay, this already in used. So we will, every time we have to change the port. Which port we will use? So we will use the Control V. Hyphen port is equal to 9334. Let's see, it's working. Yeah, it's generated. So every time, like whenever we will generate any report, so next time if we generate the same report, it will not allow you to generate the same port report like here. So I already used the 333. So that's why it's not allowing me to generate the report again. So I changed here 9334. So this is the new port number. That's why I'm able to generate the report. And you can see here, where is my, okay. So it generate the report. Okay, let me show you the another generate the report. First we will use the clear new terminal. Same terminal, we cannot use it anything. So space hyphen 9335, and then it will generate the report. Okay, 99. So 3, this is not the correct, so we will use the, okay, clear and hyphen 9334. Let me try it. It is generating or not. Okay, this is not generating the, because we are already used it. So hyphen. Okay, so we are doing one mistake here, that hyphen and provide the port. We are not using the port is equal to 99335, and then it will generate the report, you can see. So I was doing mistake here, like so you can see here it's generated the report. So example.spec.js, and here you can see it's generated 2 Chromium, 2 Firefox and 2 WebKit. So total it generated 6 reports. So this way you can generate the HTML report. And if you want to see the WebKit in your project, so you can use this command. If you want to Firefox, so you can use this command. So the different command is showing up. So you will go this document, it's very helpful, and you can use this command in your terminal. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my channel. If you have any comment, question or queries, please ask me. I will definitely respond you. So next series I will tell you more and how to write the test and run the test in this VS Code. So please keep watching my video, and thank you.